Hello and welcome to another update video about Aave. Aave shows a lot of weakness at the moment. It is coming down to that 78.6 fib level, the relevant support level for the bullish wave count in yellow. Any sustained break below it, and we haven't broken below it, but also, to be honest, there is not really much of a positive reaction to that level in any way visible at this stage. So I give it really decent odds of breaking below support. What would breaking below support mean? Well, it will mean that we likely are going to retest the $50 level, but it also means that if we do that, because double bottoms, triple bottoms rarely hold, it means that most likely we are going to head to new lows in the $40 range. So the break of, or a decent or sustained break of the $60 level to the downside is a big warning to any bull out there, because it really indicates that this support level or this 1-2 setup is not going to hold. So yeah, unfortunately it's it's good reward to risk ratio here, because if it holds, then the third wave should take us way higher, obviously above $100. But for now we are here struggling with that 78.6 fib level. So the bulls really need to step in. I've got two wave counts here. I've got either the direct bullish count, which should, if it holds $60, there's still a chance obviously to rally in a third wave. So it's really decent reward to risk ratio here. However, a sustained break below $60 will likely take us down to 40. Obviously, this 1-2 setup is not going to be formally invalidated until price breaks below the November low, which is at $50 or $50.50. But it's just, you know, we talk about likelihoods here, okay? And this has come down deeper than it would be ideal. It really has. Now, any rally, if it's not impulsive, if we see a reaction here and it's not an impulsive rally, the price structure allows for a triangle wave count. You can see that in blue. It's basically a wave A to the upside, which might have topped in August 22, wave B to the downside into the November lows, a wave C to the upside into January, a wave D to the downside, we might be doing that right now, and then an E wave to the upside can take weeks to play out before we break down, or it breaks down directly. So it remains the 59, well, I've got it as 59.77 level here, remains super important. Below that, I literally only have the 88.7 fib level left, but that's normally not so relevant in these 1-2 setups. Let me see if I find it. For some reason, my screen is very dark, so I just need to, 1 second. Let me just add it manually. It's probably on there, but for some reason the screen is just dark at the moment. So there you go, 88.7 at 55.30. Yeah, but it's less of a reliable support level. Yeah, it's more unreliable support level. I bring it on the chart now because I expect it to be tested at this stage, and it would take an impulsive break above 69.50. Even better would be $84 to indicate that a low has been made here, and we have confirmation that we are in a third wave as soon as price breaks above the $95 level. Yeah, that's my update. I mean, we can, in terms of subwave count, I mean, I probably would look at a WXY structure, and in a WXY it's a very complex correction. So very complex at the moment. The corrections in the crypto market, they are just super complex. WX, because 3 waves in wave W, 3 waves in wave X, and this also, I mean, it looks like another 3-wave move here. Yeah, maybe wave W, X, and the Y wave down now again in 3 waves is messy. Or we talk about an ending diagonal if it is an ABC. But for an ABC structure, this A wave was a 3-wave move, and then normally in a flat pattern the B wave should have been a bit stronger. But you know, it basically is now where it should turn around. So any subwave count is likely to morph towards the end of these corrections. So I would just pay attention to these levels that are highlighted to you now. And at the moment, there is just unfortunately no indication that we have bottomed here, and there is just no impulse visible to the upside. Okay, so I can actually make that a little bit less dense, this yellow color here. Let's just do that right now. You can see that a little bit better. second. There you go. Background color. You can see the price action a little better. But this is not impulsive to the upside, okay? Yes, there's a decent wick, basically a reaction down there. But first of all, price hasn't followed through afterwards. It's just consolidating sideways. And I would at this stage fully expect the $55.88.7 fib level to be reached. Okay, so I'll keep you updated should things change. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.